How do you feel about this meeting, Landon?
It hasn't started yet. It's for paddlers. I thought these kids were getting in trouble.
Are you kind of disappointed that they didn't?
Yes, they missed check-in by like 20 minutes, and then the boys left a mess. Dakota had to yell at, or clean it up. I thought she was gonna yell at them already. Kind of heartbroken.
Were we up for coffee? Yeah. We've been for like 4 hours.
One other coke?
Okay.
I don't know, I might start calling their side and the other one.
Why do people keep getting you guys mixed up? We don't from down there.
Yeah, and I was running around.
And then you call me, I don't know,
Second hand?
second
Yes or
hand,
no?
Lanny's,
Give me fruit.
Lou.
That depends on where it is.
First hand?
But
What if it's like over there?
Nope.
I'll kill you.
I'll kill you too.
Nope.
I'll kill
You're
you
not
first.
a man.
Not if I do it
Hey, don't
first.
forget me, don't forget me.
First,
Look at me.
when I open tonight.
What's up? I just got it back. Good, say hi. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Wait, so
Ow!
ask me
I
a
didn't do
question.
it.
Finger.
Because I did it.
Gonna figure it out.
Well, now you tell me I'll do it harder.
I mean, we'll see if I can.
I'm kidding, bro.
I'm gonna sit down because my ankle hurts. And I am cold.
Stop. I look bummy.
That's
You know what? So I look bummy right now. Me too.
I know, right? She made a little kid.
You're one of them, Antonio.
So are you.
Hey,
Joking, Silas.
charge my phone on that.
Bro, I was joking. Huh?
Danielle, do you want to talk about the rules that are supposed to be like? What? Are you wanting to just?
She doesn't like to enforce.
Oh,
No,
the
bro.
main one. Let me do the main one of the.
No.
Oh, she made me call Peg. I could
Oh, okay.
Bro.
Got you.
Either we go.
All right.
Let me record.
Either you can or
Either one. Okay. Everyone that's all here.
Hey, there's the last one.
Lion,
Hey.
sign in, get in here, sit down.
We're glad that there's a big number of all you here, and I'm hoping you guys are all having a good time. But when you guys all signed up to be here, did you guys all read the waiver? Yeah. The agreement that you signed? Yeah? Okay. And then when we're asking you to check in, when was the check-in set to today? Okay. What happened like 2 hours ago?
We forgot to check in.
We forgot?
We.
It wasn't just you. It was the group.
It was everybody. Everybody forgot to do it. Nobody came and checked in.
Even if you're here. You can record that.
No, right?
Yeah.
I'm good.
I was looking for the part. We want you guys to have fun. It's just we have to make sure that you guys are okay and here. So that way if a parent calls, we'd be like, okay, they checked in at this time. Just give us like 10 minutes, they'll be back. Or, you know, if there's an emergency or something, just, we need to make sure that you guys are all okay. The other thing was Dakota picked up a lot of the garbage that was left around. You guys are old enough to take care of all of that. We shouldn't have to tell you. If you see something, I don't care whose trash it is, just pick it up, please. And then onto the canoe stuff.
Or even where we're at, like, do any of us like own any of this land here? No, it's we're allowed by the hosts here to be here, so we gotta like be respectful for the ones that are letting us actually stay here on their grounds here. That's part of like why we're always keeping on top of our just keeping it clean everywhere here. And then but onto the paddling. It's a shorter paddle. It's gonna be about a 3.5 hour paddle, but we're not gonna be able to do the whole leg. It's gonna be racing the tide at 8, but we suggest you leave there at 6, so we can get there like by 9 at the soft landing. But when we're there, what time we get there, and whoever's on the crew can get shuttled like back here, but we won't be able to finish the paddle until later at like 5:30 in the evening. And then it's a shorter paddle. It's like a 12 mile. So I want to take the numbers of like who would want to wait until the bigger paddle to Layla, which is a 33 mile paddle. If we can take a hand of that one, who would do that one and sit off tomorrow, but you want to be the one doing that longer haul with a switch out. So I'll be 16 ready for that one.
Gusted this one.
Well, let's start with the switch.
Yeah,
$1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6.
Oh, behind you.
Hey, sassy sports mention.
Where's the card?
Yeah, it's gonna be a longer haul, and that means like a switch out, and they say like we're gonna need it continuous to keep going. We're not gonna stop as a group to take a break. Like if you're tired, that's what we have the boat for. He's on top of his game. He's gonna rip right to us, and he can like get you a break on the boat. But we're gonna keep going. Otherwise, you'll just lose momentum, and then it'll just be a longer paddle for us to be out there.
Raymond, Justin, Braden, Silas, this one's for tonight.
Me.
Lenny, Luann, Lou.
It's like a 16 count.
No, I haven't either.
So that's 7. So
There's 2 behind you.
So 16 altogether.
which ones?
Luann and
Yeah, I got Luann.
Mari had her end up.
Well, let's look for the numbers for this. That's a long haul.
Okay, I got
You're the one that hit me.
Okay, let's do tomorrow.
Maybe it's been around when we're done.
Oh, so the question
She like really gonna ask
Yeah, we're just trying to get counts so we can say, okay, this one's
Ooh, I got you.
so it's a little less.
Ah,
You just have to finish.
Okay, for the powerful swing, so with that soft landing, that's going to be about maybe a 2 hour, 2.5 hour paddle, maybe. What's everyone's thoughts on if we do like a first heat of like all girls? All the girls?
For the first.
So 8 girls for the first leg.
Is the other Andrew coming? Did you give his name down? Put him down for the little one? The longer one? Sorry, Haley. The other Andrew?
The other Andrew?
There's
Oh.
Boo Boo and then there's Andrew, the other Andrew. So now
Oh,
we've
so
got
both?
two
We got 3 Andrews.
Three?
Would they want to do the?
Who's the other Andrew?
This isn't the outside more easy, a little easier than going through that.
I'm not using the audio.
The outside?
Like the regular ocean.
Oh, you're talking about tomorrow. I mean, the next day. To Toledo? No, we're talking about tomorrow's paddle. Tomorrow's paddle is just where we landed. It's going to go around the corner and we're going to be coming up this channel. Huh? Do you want to do that?
You're down there, Drew. Yeah. But I was talking about, yeah, that corner, but then this part's a little harder because it's like